going on, people? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a brand new video. In today's video, guys, we are going to be talking about getting started flipping cars and things that I have learned since I started in 2021 flipping cars full time, and some really ups, some really lows, and I've come up with a new strategy to sort of take this this further, if you like. Basically, 2021, I was working part-time, decided to leave my job to do car trading full-time. Left my job, car trading full-time, turned out really, really well. 2022, my dog hurt a leg, put me in a situation where I was $4,000 down, and I had about 2.5 months out from actually getting, I was literally watching her every single day, making sure she don't run, making sure she don't jump. So I was stuck indoors, as well as the weather was really, really bad. However, it was just because of her that majority of the time kept me indoors. Long story short, guys, it put me in a situation where I've fallen back on a load of bills and stuff like that, and then the cars I did have that had good margins in them, I ended up selling them on in the trade just to sort of catch up with a few bills, get credit cards paid off and stuff like that. So right now I'm going to be starting from scratch, and what I've gone and got myself to get myself out of this situation is a part-time job. That job, guys, is a TescoDelivery.com driver. When you order food online, I'm the guy that comes to your door and delivers it. And the amazing thing about this job, it turned out to be a blessing in disguise, because when you're a car trader, guys or girls, you are literally driving around everywhere and spotting cars that have not moved for months on end, such as this vehicle that I've just come across. More on that in a little bit. And the best part about this job is I will be having regular money coming in on a monthly basis, which will mean we are not fully dependent on the car trade to survive. So every money we make as profit can get invested right back into the business, allowing us to keep on progressing and growing going forward. So stay tuned. Let's go see what car I've just picked up. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Before we even get there, let's head out. Right, guys, I have come prepared with the 3 things I need: fuel, tire pump and a battery. So now that I've got these things, let's go have a look at the car. Right, guys, have a look. Fiat Barchetta. As you can see, she has not moved in a while. Very, very nice little car. Tires, Yokohama's all round, pretty much brand new tires. Really, really nice car. Absolutely stunning. Again, Yokohama's lovely. Look at them tires. Beautiful. And just so you know, see, she has not moved. Definitely has not moved. So yeah, beautiful. Look at these door handles. Wow, what a timepiece. Absolutely stunning in here. Look at the leather. Beautiful little car. Let's get inside. Have a look at that. Mileage 11,200. That's literally nothing. Just look at the dash. Wow. Have a look, guys. What a timepiece. Absolutely beautiful. Let's have a look at that. Well, looks really nice. Coolant. Looking good. Oil. Oh, focus. Yeah, pretty good. Let's clean that off. Cool. Well, let's get a battery and see if she fires up. Right, I just cleaned the lens. And let's give it a go. Okay, that's brilliant. So the reason I'm just firing it up without the fuel, as you see, the fuel gauge is really low. I just want the oil to circulate, as this engine is not run in a very long time. Now that I've done that a few times, let's fill it up with some fuel, see how it goes. The fuel lid was broken, so I had to compromise. Right, so let's get this bad boy on there, tighten it up and put it in there. 1 minute, guys. She's filling up. £7 worth of fuel. Let's get that done. Alright guys, moment of truth. Let's see. Well, that fuel gauge did not go up much, but we know we got a bit of fuel in there.